Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall JupyterLab on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall JupyterLab on Windows, begin by opening the command prompt. To do this, type CMD in the search bar and press enter. In the command prompt window, you will need to locate the environment in which JupyterLab is installed. If you are using Anaconda, type conda remove JupyterLab and press enter. This command will initiate the uninstallation process of JupyterLab within the Anaconda environment. You will see a prompt asking for confirmation. Type Y for yes and press enter to proceed. If JupyterLab was installed via pip, type pip uninstall JupyterLab and press enter. As with the previous command, a confirmation prompt will appear. Again, type Y for yes and press enter. JupyterLab will now be uninstalled from your system. Once the process is complete, you can close the command prompt window. To ensure JupyterLab is fully removed, you may want to check the installation directory. Navigate to the folder where JupyterLab was installed, often found in the Python or Anaconda directories. Delete any remaining JupyterLab files or folders if they still exist. Your JupyterLab uninstallation is now complete. You can always reinstall it in the future if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.